everyone. Are you doing well? I hope you are. Today we have the letter Z. Z. It's the equivalent of Z in English. Z. Z. And its shape is the same as the previous letter. Do you remember it? It was Ra. Ra. Today's letter, Z, comes only with a dot. This is the shape of Z in the isolated form. Will you get a pen and paper and draw Z with me? It's just a simple curved line with a dot. A curved line and a dot. If you would like, pause the video here and give it a try on your own. And please pronounce it as you draw it. Z. Z. When Z comes in the initial position, it stands alone. Just like this. While in a medial or final position, its shape changes a bit. It comes attached to a connecting segment extended from the previous letter. We start from the extended segment coming from the previous letter and continue with Z. The connecting segment, then Z. Shall we check some examples now? Here is Z in the initial position. It stands totally alone, taking the isolated form. In the medial position, it joins the preceding letter that ended in a connecting segment. In the final position, it takes the same shape as in the medial, starting from the connecting segment. Sometimes, Z comes preceded by a non-connecting letter, a letter that can't provide a connecting segment. In this case, Z stands alone, taking the isolated form. Sure, you must have noticed that Z itself is a non-connecting letter. So, whether it comes in the isolated form or the connected form, it can't provide a connecting segment for the following letter. Please practice writing the two forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of Z as you draw it. Z. Z.